How's it going, folks? SYGTECH is here with the new Mini 5 Pro. In today's video we're gonna talk about this protective gimbal. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove the gimbal properly. I'm not a big fan, if I'm honest with you. I think some people mentioned already this. It's cool, yes, it's gonna protect your drone, it's gonna protect your propellers, looks nice. I think this is introduced in the AS3 series and the Mavic series. Let me know, correct me if that's true. Yes, looks nice, looks cool, protective, but yeah, it's takes a little bit more longer time to use the drone and also to unfold and put the gimbal back. I will demonstrate right now. So in order to remove it properly, as you can see, this tab here, you need to pull down, as you can see, and now we have to lift the top. See, as you can see, it's a little bit fiddly, and this is how you do it. So let's pretend that we're gonna fly our drone, and let's do the same thing. So let's do it. Let's unfold it. Yeah, this is the automatic turn on. This is I think new feature for the Mini 5 series. It's been introduced in the Mavic series, but I'm not sure if it is available on the Air 3S, so correct me if that's right. So let's say you finish with your flying and you want to switch off your drone and put the gimbal back. So let's do that now.
Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press any button on aircraft to cancel.
Yeah, this is a cool feature. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see tutorial how to switch this on or off. I personally think it's a nice feature. Now, so let's say that, yeah, the drone is folded now, and this is how you fold the drone properly in order to use the gimbal. So the top propellers needs to be, and it needs to be like that in this configuration, and the bottom propellers you leave them like this, as you can see. Cool. Now turn the drone. So we need the back, the bottom of the drone. So take the gimbal. This is the protective gimbal, as you can see, and now this goes like this, goes on the top. And now you're gonna hear a click. I don't know if you can see properly. Bam. Pretty straightforward. And now the bottom propellers, you have to push them inside, but don't use any force. Just slightly push them underneath, under the gimbal. As you can see, they're nice and folded now. And now we need to use the top propellers. Now this thing you have to pull down, and you have to put these things here on the top of the fan, so as you can see. So yeah, this takes like a couple of seconds, but yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you are a fan of this gimbal, protective gimbal for the Mini 5 Pro. Any questions, leave it in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, guys, and happy flying, and I'll see you guys in the next video.